Wesley Stratton. I'm the CEO of American Benefit Services. Guys, we want you to have the best year ever. There is this opportunity in this senior market is just through the roof. But it really helps to have a mentor that can show you the path. Think of us as your Sherpa, to show you the path to success, as you're climbing that mountain, where to go, where not to go. And one of the things that we think that is going to help you reach that mountaintop is by doing grassroots marketing. And I'll tell you, there's so many people who are doing social media marketing and digital marketing, and we say, hey, do that, but don't just focus on that. Grassroots marketing can be one of the best ways that you can market yourself because you're getting out in the community, you're shaking people's hands, you're getting to know people. That is what I feel is probably one of the best ways to market yourself and the core of how you should be marketing yourself. And then you are supplementing with digital leads and maybe some direct mail leads. But your core, maybe 50 to 60% of what you're doing is coming from grassroots marketing. And let me just tell you, it's also one of the lowest cost and the lowest barriers of entry to do this thing. Just think about it. You're only spending maybe $25 or $50 to do an event at a senior center, a community center, a senior living facility, of bringing maybe ice cream, like an ice cream party, or a pizza party, like going to Little Caesars and just getting some pizzas and sodas and going to these places and doing these very simple educational events on the changes of Medicare. And I'll tell you this, just because I've trained and I've coached ABS, our whole team, we've coached agents across the country on how to do these effectively. You are going to be received so well because no one understands Medicare. And they realize it's complex, but what we want to show you how to do is to break it down and make it so simple. And as you do that, let me tell you, there are so many leads you can get just from doing simple educational events. And it opens the door for you to sell so many different products. When we want to show you where to go, senior centers, community centers, senior living facilities, low-income senior housing, doctor's offices, pharmacies. Pharmacies are huge. So we want to show you exactly what to do on how to, as we say with ABS, own your own real estate. Be that Medicare person in your backyard. And that's going to lead to so many sales, so many referrals as you brand yourself through grassroots marketing and some of these other digital assets. But we want you to double down on things that work. Grassroots marketing, it's so easy. Partner with us, we want to show you how to do it.